Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove restrictions on Binance P2P. Let's launch the Binance app. Binance restricts P2P trading for several reasons, including incomplete KYC verification, suspicious or high-risk activity, regulatory or country-specific restrictions, violations of Binance policies, and account security concerns. In the top right corner, click on the Help Center icon. Scroll down to the Self-Service section. In this section, click on View All. In this menu, scroll down and click on Lift P2P Suspension. If there is any issue with your account, it will show here. If you can't find this menu, come back to the Help Center page. On this page, scroll down and click on Get Support. Here you can live chat with the Binance support team and discuss your problem. After understanding your problem, they should provide you with a solution. Here, let's expand the solution answer. Click on Submit an Appeal here. After submitting, this should take you to the restriction page where you can see details about the restriction. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.